in IntelliJ IDEA IDE, you can choose theme. There are 4 themes which are built in the software packages, but if you want, you can add any images or any wallpaper as the background of your interface. How you can do that? Simply go to File, and after then go to Settings, and the shortcut key for this in Windows, Ctrl Alt S, and for Mac it would be Command Alt S, if I'm not mistaken, for the Mac I mean. So however, simply open Settings, go to Appearance, and here under the UI options you will find this background image. Simply click on this and browse the image. For me, I'm going to use this image. Okay. After then, you can choose the opacity for this image. If you just simply extend this window, you can get the overview of the background UI. Like if I extend the opacity to 100%, it would be like this, and if I decrease the opacity like this, can you see the change here? If I am decreasing the opacity, then the background image is getting faded gradually, right? You can also choose any of these if you want. Okay, and you can also select that whether you want to use this background image only for this project or for every project you are going to work on from now on, I mean. And after then, simply click on OK. Okay. You see, the image has been applied here only in the project section. If I open any .java file here, you can see the UI here, right? And it is working exactly what you wanted. The opacity, the position, everything. So that's it for today. I hope you have enjoyed this. Thank you, everyone.